Hey, sixth graders, just want to get you started on this problem. The problem says a grocery store sells tangerines in 2/5 kilograms bags, and a customer bought 4 kilograms of tangerines for a school party. And we want to know how many bags he bought. Well, what we want to do is figure out how many bags he bought, and then we got to figure out which equations represent that. So what you need to do here is to put an X in the box to show which equations represent the problem. So let's talk about 2/5 for a minute. If you remember, think back or go back to your taped fraction strips, and we're in the fifths. We know that there are 5/5 in one, but we want to know how many 2/5 are in 4. Well, so we're going to count by 2/5. So here's one set of 2/5. Here's another set of 2/5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 2/5 in 2, but we want to know 4. So if we added 2 more rows here, we would add another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that there are 10 2/5 in 4. So 10 bags. So we know that our question mark here needs to be 10. So let's look at this. Can we take 4 and multiply it by 2/5 and get the answer of 10? Well, you know how to take a whole number times a fraction. We put a 1 under the 4 and we multiply straight across. 4 times 2 is 8. Over 1 times 5 is 5. So we get 8 over 5, which is an improper fraction. We make that a mixed number, and we get 1 3/5. Well, is 1 3/5 the 10 bags that we need to get? No, it's not. So we would not put an X in that box. The next one says 10 times 2/5 equals 4. So if we have 10 here and we put it over 1, 10 times 2 is 20, over 1 times 5 is 5, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So would this equation represent this problem? Yes, it would, because when we put 10 bags in here, we got times 2/5, we got 4. So we would put an X in this box. So go through and do the same thing for each of these. Remember that you're using 10 for the question mark, and that may help you. You can always go back and check your fraction tapes again if that helps you as well. Good luck, sixth graders.